sweet tweets and cries, and songs and melodies and trills. I hear from the birds that pray in their own language, each to its mate, just as we do with the friends we are in love with. And then I, who love the worthiest, must above all others write a song contrived so as to have no false sound or wrong rhyme. I didn't get lost, nor did I sway, the first time I entered the castle's fence where my dame rests, of whom I have such craving that not even the niece of Saint Wilhelm felt one like it. 1,000 times a day I yawn and stretch for the fair one that bests all the others, as much as a great pleasure is better than a cramp. I was well liked and my words received, since I was not a fool in my selection, as I prefer pure gold to copper. The day I and my lady kissed, she covered me with a beautiful blue cloak, so that the slanderous snake tongues couldn't see that which stirs so many evil words. No bough covered of flowers still budding, that birds shake with their beaks is fresher, so that I don't want ruin to own without her, nor all Jerusalem. Then in truth I surrender to her with joined hands, since in loving her the king of Dover would gain honor, and so would the one who owns Estella and Pamplona. Merciful God, through whom were absolved the sins committed by Longinus the blind, make it so that me and my dame lay together in a room where we both made precious oaths, from which I expect the joy of bearing, laughing and kissing her fair body, and of watching it in the lamplight. Mouth, what are you saying? I think you'll have alienated me from promises such as the Greek emperor would be honored by, and so would the Lord of Ruin, of the king who holds Tyre and still Bethlehem. Then I'm a real fool to ask for as much as I could repent, since love cannot protect, nor can Saint Genus use a man who drives joy away.